Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is a short video of the Spider Excavator digging out Sefton, the narrowboat, at the Llangollen beach. Quite a bit of, it's a very impressive piece of kit, and the operator is Amy. And as you can see, she's digging away at the side of the narrowboat. And you'll see a drone flying in a minute. There were quite a few drones flying about. Hang on, it'll be there in a minute. Quite a misty day on this day, 15th of January. There you go. Drones just come into shot now by the blue tarp, shooting over. Quite risky, to be quite honest with you, with quite a few drones flying about, and you had to be careful of where you were. There was a collision apparently, and thankfully not with my drone. Right, I'll just let you watch the video and watch this digger operating. Quite amazing. Many thanks for watching. If you could subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, that'd be most appreciated. And hopefully I'll get a longer video out next time. This was a bit of a trial, to be honest. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye.